pass on Danny's 67 Chevy Camaro. Let's see where we go. It'll be a 4,000 pull. Okay, Danny, pass number 2. Alright, Danny, I have your 67 Chevy Camaro engine here on the dyno. This will be our 3rd pass, and this is your LS3 427. Let's see where we roll with this thing. Runs real nice. Good morning. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited. Hey, we've been building a lot of great crazy motors lately. This is a nice beautiful LS3 427 cubic inch. Just got done making about 634, pulled it to 6,500. Again, here at Performance, we build one engine at a time. We have loads of experience building engines, been doing this our whole lives. And again, if you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you. Hey, enjoy all our videos. I got some really cool videos coming up. I took a collage for some old videos from maybe 25 years ago. Let's see what you think of some of them old videos. Hey, peace, God bless. Thank you.